at IBM. Okay. IBM, do you know Venkatesh? Project manager IBM, okay? Okay. He took the address from that actually. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we will have a light demonstration, and this will absolutely boggle your mind, because like I said, you have seen this in movies. Krish, robot, Rajnikant doing it. But a student doing it, it is very difficult. Come here, Ahmed. I want you to capture the book and your explanation. Now I will hand over the book. She told me that till now, how many pages have? Till now in the school, 33 pages have been completed. And how much are you ready with? She is ready with 50 pages. In the school, only 33 have been covered so far, syllabus. Which book is this? Biology, science. Yeah? ICSE syllabus, biology, science. She is ready with 50 now. You can open any page between 1 and 50 randomly. Give her the page number. Come here, Ahmed. I want you to capture the page here. Give her the page number. And then let us see if she can explain what is there in the page. Yes?
27.
Louder?
27.
27. Could you please talk about page number 27?
On top there is the continuation of the experiment, previous experiment.
Yes. On top?
Previous experiment we had grown a cryofilm plant, and there is a continuation of that. There is a picture given, and after that we have the conclusion. Cryofilm plant has buds and notches. This is because of this new plants produced. Second, then after that we have. Then after this.
Take a deep breath. Do your tapping. I was expecting this, Rachna. Do your tapping. Take a deep breath. Do your tapping. Yeah. She says there is a, yeah, go ahead. It's okay, relax. Yeah, you sit, Rachna, you sit. You know, she says there is a diagram, bryophyllum, and then the definition of this, right? There is a diagram, and there is this definition, and now she'll continue.
Reproduction by root, taproot, many other plants like that reproduce with the help of their roots. They have stored food in them, which when sown in soil, they grow into new plants. And the picture of a taproot is given. Then after that, carrot is a biennial plant.
To go like this. She needs to be ready.
Sorry, the first one was potato, sweet potato.
Okay. No problem. Sweet potato?
This one first.
Yes, reproduction by root, and this is sweet potato.
Taproot, carrot has a taproot. For the first year, it prepares food for itself and stores the food, and then for the second year, for reproductive purposes, it stores this food at the end of the stem, just above the root, below the stem. And when we take this part and put it in the soil, we can get a new plant. The next one, we have artificial vegetative propagation. Many farmers and horticulturists have developed this method for many benefits. The first method is cutting. Cutting with many plants, we can cut the stem and many other parts, cut it and put it in soil, and then each part grows into a new plant. This is suitable for plants like sugarcane, rose, China rose, etc. Then after that we have
so far you're going so good. I'll just share it. She says reproduction of fruit. She gave the explanation. She's reading it line by line. And then she said sweet potato. It's here. Line by line explanation. And then she said artificial vegetative reproduction, propagation, cutting. She's going line by line. I mean, the reason why she's stopping is because, you know, she's got that stage thing in her. Yeah, go ahead.
And there are a lot of stuff in
Then we have a process in which we take a branch of a plant, bend it down, slightly down, and such that it is under the soil. Then we take a bark out of it and then cover the top of it with the soil and place some heavy object on it so that the branch does not come out. And after some days, when we see that, then there is a picture of that process given. Then after some days, when we see that, we can see that this branch has developed roots. It has developed roots. And
Okay, we got it. You're almost at the end. Let's take another page, but now don't get into giving us line by line. You actually shocked me. Okay, you don't go line by line. You just tell us the gist as to what is there. Any other page?
16.
16.
We have again we have another experiment. One second.
It's a continuation of an experiment. That's correct.
That's right.
That is the experiment is about grapes and raisin. We keep it in sugar, and that thing is given in the previous page. Just the conclusion is given in the next page.
It is given in the previous page, and only the conclusion is given in the next page about grapes and raisins. This is the conclusion, and this is the previous page experiment. And this is the conclusion. Is she going correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
In this, we can see the raisins swell up and the grapes shrunken. This is because that the raisins have absorbed water, but the grapes have given out water with thick syrup. This is because of the action of the semi-permeable membrane. And this semi-permeable membrane, this is how the root absorbs water. This thing is how we can see how the root absorbs water. This is the fact, how we can see it. This is the conclusion of that experiment. Then after that, they tell us in a line that there is a picture which shows us osmosis picture in which a cell membrane is there and water molecules at the one side and sugar molecules.
Okay, hold it. This is a picture, cell molecules and water molecules, sugar molecules and water molecules on the other side. You see that? It's as if reading out the textbook without, talking about, as if looking at a photograph and talking about it. Now, whatever you saw in the book, did she give the answers correctly?
She gave correctly, and the explanations were correct.
Her explanations are also
I thought that
correct.
it was very good.
Very sound. Very good. Go back. Now look.